Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. In this video, we are going to talk about Japanese pronunciation. I posted some funny videos on Instagram. Let's watch it together.
ねえねえ、あんちゃんの彼氏ってどんな人？
線が低くて、毛がないです。
好みはね、人それぞれだもんね。毛が長い
long hair.
毛がない
bald head. 毛が長い means long hair. It is literally translated as hair is long. 毛がない bald head. It is literally translated as hair is not. In English, you are required to state the subjects of a sentence. He has long hair. It is easier to figure out the meaning of the sentence if someone mispronounces it, like he has long hair, he has long hair, he has long hair, or some other way. We can guess. It might mean he has long hair.
I hope.
However, in Japanese, words are often omitted in the sentence. For instance,
He has long hair is literally translated as 彼は長い髪を持っている。It's unnatural. We usually say 彼は毛が長い. As for him, the hair is long. And we usually omit 彼は. So we just say
毛が長い. So it is hard to guess what you mean if you leave out one of the hiragana characters. Here's another example from Instagram.
ねえねえ、この服似合う
？ORARKIR 嫌いです。
きれいきれい beautiful きらい嫌い to dislike to hate.
If we literally translate you are beautiful, it should be あなたは綺麗です。If he said あなたは嫌いです、he means 綺麗です。I see. We could have guessed. He said 綺麗です。You are beautiful. Even if he mispronounced 嫌いです。Sentence elements helps us to get the meaning. But as I said, we don't usually say あなたは、私は、それを Most Japanese say just 綺麗です。嫌いです or just 綺麗嫌い in daily conversation. So just one missing vowel could make a really bad misunderstanding. So I have to say these three rules again. 1. Pronounce each vowel clearly and correctly. 2. Pronounce each syllable separately. 3. Pronounce each syllable with the same length of time. And among these three, number 3 is the most important. So I made these Japanese pronunciation practice videos. I recommend practicing Japanese with metronome.
While you are practicing Japanese pronunciation with metronome, you will master how to pronounce each syllable, each hiragana, with the same length of time. Never miss one vowel. Never miss one hiragana.
And after you can keep these 3 factors, and when you want to speak more naturally, please use my pitch accent videos. So that's all for today. I'm making pitch accent videos and grammar videos and culture videos, so please subscribe. どうもありがとうございました。どうもお疲れ様でした。See you!